Hello everyone, coming back to Python programming hands-on. Now I am going to discuss a database related programs with Python. I will give the complete picture how we can write the program with database related things like connecting MySQL server, creating database, creating table, inserting data into table, how we can select or fetching the data from the table. All the things I will discuss with the hands-on. Now I will open. In the last class, I discussed the installation steps like installation of the Python, installation of the pip installation, and MySQL server connection. Everything I discussed. Now I will going to discuss example programs to get a complete picture in database. So we'll get a complete picture with a sequence of programs. The first program I will discuss is connecting MySQL server. And the second program is creating database. Third program is creating table. And the fourth program is inserting data into table. And the fifth step is fetch the data or fetch or select the data from the table. So these 5 programs I will discuss so that we will get a complete picture. The first program, connecting MySQL server. Import MySQL dot connector and some connection object we have to create. MySQL dot connector dot connect. Con is a connection object with our own name. Here we have to give the host name. Host is equal to localhost, comma user. User is the root and password. So how you know the password? While installation of the MySQL server itself, we are creating one password actually. So that password we need to give. So here is admin is my password actually. While installation, I given this name. So this is a connection object. Now just print the connection object. You can understand what is this one. So you can understand. Copy. File, just new file. Paste the program. Now just run the program. Okay, before that, just save the program. Save somewhere in the desktop. Okay. Database 12.py. Save. Just run the program. See, this is a connection object, right? Okay. Now we'll see the second program. Second program is the creating database. Okay, I will add the same program here again. Same thing, copy and just paste here. Okay, you can remove this one. No need of this printing of this connection object. Okay, now we need to create a cursor object. With the cursor object only we can execute the all queries actually. So cursor object is equal to con dot cursor. This is a creating cursor object. Here our own cursor object we can give. Now with cursor object we can execute the program. Cursor, not curobj, right? Dot execute, and now create a query. Create a database db1234 is a my database. So close. Yeah. Now if we execute this program, we can create a database with a database name db1234, and just copy this program and paste here. Now try to save it and try to execute. Now it is executed. Okay, where we can see this database db1234, database name is db1234. Okay, so here this is a MySQL workbench what I installed, right? I open the install, and I have installed two MySQL servers, that is MySQL 5.7, MySQL 8.0. So just I will open this one, and I already told while installation itself I given a root, username is root and password is a admin. Now just see db1234. If it is not visible, if you refresh it, right, you can understand. Otherwise you open, right, you can take db12345. Try to execute the program. Okay, and try to open here, just refresh it, you can get here db12345. This is a database we created. Yeah, this way we can create a database. And now go to the third step, that is a creating table. Third program is a creating table. So here also we need to place the same program, copy the same entire program except this query. Copy and paste. Now we already created a database. In that database I need to create a table. So here in this connection objects we can add database what we created is equal to db12345. So this, in this database we need to add a table, right? So how we can, same here also we have to copy the same thing up to here. Here in this, yeah, we need to copy the same program, but here you need to change the query, that's it. In this query we need to remove this one, create a table. Its table name is student 1 2 3 4 5, and with a bracket, and the table contains some name varchar 20 not null, comma, some branch varchar some 10, comma, age int, and bracket close. So this way we can give the query, and you try to execute this. Now just copy this same program and we'll try to execute. Okay, copy, just save it and just run the program. Here what thing we need to do is create a table or table name. Okay, I think we need to give slashes like this. Yeah, we'll try to execute now. Otherwise we can do one thing, um, some a1 is equal to add entire thing, cut and paste here, a1. Now add like this. Okay, now try to save it and execute. Yes, it is executed. Now open the database. Now in this DB12345, right? In this table we have to see. Yeah, table. See, student. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5. So these are the columns: name, branch, age. Yeah, this way we can create a table. Now the same program. Next to fourth program is inserting the data into the table. Insert inserting data into table. Which table? Student 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, except this execution program, remaining thing just copy paste from here. Just copy and just paste here. Insert the data. How we can insert? So we need to copy paste this execute query. Copy and paste and here, okay, query we will write separate so that we can understand. Okay, SQL1 is equal to insert into student 1 2 3 4 5 bracket name comma branch comma age backslash values percentages percentages. Now values are Surender comma branch CSC comma some age is some 20. Now you can write here SQL1 comma val and con dot commit. So this way we can write the program. Just try to execute this program, you can understand. Now just see, file, save and try to execute. Yes. Now we'll check in the database. So just refresh it. Now select star from student 1 2 3 4 5. So you can directly run the query. Yeah. Yeah. Now we can see, yeah, data is inserted in this table, right? Now go to the next program. The next program is fetch the data. That is select the data. Fetch the data from the table. Here also till this one we need to copy and paste here. After that then here we need to copy paste one, select star from student, otherwise you can write like this db 1 2 3 4 5 dot student 1 2 3 4 5, and this way we can directly execute it. And if you want to see the data on the console, yeah, my result is equal to cursor object dot fetch all, and for I in result colon print I, and after that close the connection, con dot close. So now just try to execute this program and you can understand. Okay, copy this program. Now try to save it and execute it. Now try to save it and execute it. See, you can see, and also here also already checked, right? This is select rows. Major thing we need to understand is, while creating the connection, we are only giving the host name and the user and password, and while creating the database also we are giving the host name and user and password, and we are creating the database. Once you create the database, you have to insert this database name in the connection, then create a table. So that thing we need to understand. Yeah, hope you people understood about a database fundamentally. Okay, hope you enjoyed. Thank you.